Hey again. So we've seen in the previous video how to connect a HubSpot account to Actiondesk. Let's see now how to import data. So again, you're going to click on this import button. You can also use the shortcut command plus backslash. Once you're there, inside the data source, you're going to select the HubSpot account you've just connected. So in our case, we have this HubSpot demo account that we're going to use. Once you've done that, you'll have the various data objects, the various tables you can import from HubSpot. So you have contacts, deals, and also this is a test account. On your account, you will also have companies and owners. All right, so if I choose deals, then I will have the list of columns, the list of fields from the deals that I can choose from. So here again, it's a test account, so I only have a few fields, but when you connect your own account, you'll have all the fields, including the custom fields. All right, so I'll just choose a couple of fields here, and I'll proceed with the import. All right, so it will take a few seconds, and this will create in Actiondesk a table with the data from your HubSpot account. Now, the data will refresh automatically every 6 hours. In the case of HubSpot, for SQL databases, it refreshes every hour. And now you can see you have your data. We'll see in the later videos what we can do with that data. But just to finish up on the import, here you can do a few things. So first, you can edit your import. So maybe you realize that actually you're going to need the create date of the deals for your analysis. So you can choose, and maybe you also realize that you don't need the close date. So we'll remove the close date, and we've added the create date, and we'll update the import. Again, it will take a few seconds. You can see here that your data is refreshing. All right, so now we have the create date, and we don't have the close date anymore. And the last thing you can do that I want to show you here is that you can delete your import. So if you realize you don't need that data, you want to do something else on your sheet, you just delete the import right there. All right, we'll see in the next video what, in the next part of this tutorial, all the cool things we can do with that data.